We'll guide you through how to export and download all Snapchat memories on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be a good idea to back up of your Snapchat memories on your computer. So to get started, open a web browser of your choice. What you then want to do is go and search for Snapchat Web and come to snapchat.com/web. You'll need to go and sign into your Snap account. I already have. Now go to the top left and press your profile icon, go down and press account settings. Find the option My Data. Now what you can do is go and select the data you want. Of course, make sure you select your memories. Then you can scroll down and go and press next in the bottom right. Choose a time frame. Let's do all time. And then you can press submit. I've done this before. What you'll need to do is go and wait for it to process. And then you can come back here and press See Exports and press the download button. Open your file explorer and come to downloads. Select the zip and press extract all. Press extract and wait. Now you want to come into HTML, find the option Memories History and double click on it. This will open up and you can then press download all memories at the top. When it's finished, come to your downloads and here they are, and you can go and put these into a folder perhaps.